Good morning, everyone. In Media 201, it is Wednesday, January 19th. It is now 11 o'clock. I recorded an announcement at 10 o'clock for you, additional information for Technology Assignment 1, and now I'm recording one for you for Career Assignment 1. I very much apologize. I cannot make class tomorrow. We we will not have class tomorrow. I apologize. I have a meeting with a standing that is at a standing meeting time. It's the one time I'm going to have it this semester. I normally don't have it at this time, but I ended up having to go. I'm the only person who can go to this particular meeting, and it has a standing meeting time and like 12 other people, so it can't be rescheduled. I apologize about that. So I am recording an explanation of your career assignment. We've already talked about your career assignment. We did so on Tuesday, and so I'm recording this to help guide you through, just to make sure that everything is good to go. So I'm going to go into screen sharing mode. And the first thing I'm going to do is show you my drive, right? So the first thing that I would do in all processes in this class is I would first set up my folders. You don't have to do it that way in that particular order, but I would go in and I would look at my assignment structure, right? I'd look at my assignment name, and I would just automatically go into my 22SP underscore media 201 class. And I would create 22 underscore media 20 SP underscore media 201 underscore career assignment 1 underscore pathway U underscore last name, first name. And I would put these 4 folders in that. So I'm also going to jump over, I'm going to get rid of this for just a second. Career assignment 1. So what's this process look like? You're going to click on career assignment 1. You'll notice that that's all there. The process that you're doing basically is you're going to access Pathway U assessment, and the link is actually in the procedures, right? So you can access that link. It's got some screenshots there, so to help you navigate through that. If you have done Pathway U assessment for a different class, you do not have to redo it. You're certainly welcome to, but you do not need to redo it. If you've already done this, then you're good to go. Log in with your Boise State credentials. Basically, steps 1 through 5 are all about actually completing the assessment, and that should be pretty straightforward. You can then download a PDF of that. That's where I want to pick up and get a little bit more detailed within our process. So once again, we are using these early assignments to build and to become more and more comfortable with the process, so that once you're dealing with more substantial, larger projects, right? You've got a shoot that maybe has 1,500 images, right? Or 500 images, doesn't matter. I mean, you've got a bunch of images, you have a number of people working on that. We want to get accustomed to a process and get comfortable with that, where with sort of easy assignments, easy and defined as not a lot of files. So once you complete it, download the PDF and save it to your source file, right? So that was going to look like, and the title is 22SP underscore media 201 underscore career assignment 1 underscore pathway U underscore last name, first name. So then save that to your source file. Save that exact same copy to your sequence file. Again, you're not actually editing it in sequence, but we've talked about in class, we talked about the importance of keeping original files that are completely unchanged. So I want you to get accustomed to saving to your sequence file or folder, your subfolder then, for that project, because that's where you would actually do some editing. You don't need to do any editing in this case, but that's where I want you to do that editing. I want you to save that same copy then to your export folder. Again, this seems silly, but we're getting accustomed to having a final export project that we're going to save there, right? And then I want you to open up your meta, create a short, just a Google Doc, or you can upload a Word doc, doesn't matter, and write a short version of your process in the meta folder. Then go to Canvas and click on Begin Assignment. Attach a link to either, again, for this assignment, for this first round of assignments, we're doing either or. You can link to either your career assignment folder, that is your 22SP career assignment 1 folder. And actually, I just noticed there's a dash in this. There should not be. Career assignment 1 should have no dashes. I will remove those dashes as soon as I get done with this video. Apologize for that. Attach a live link to either your career assignment folder or to each specific subfolder in Canvas. I don't care which one you use. Perfectly fine either way. And one of the things I am interested in you doing in this class is going through that process. We'll actually return to that discussion the beginning of next module next week, and we'll have a discussion about which process we want to use as a for the class. Again, apologies that I cannot make class tomorrow. It is simply an unresolvable conflict, and I am sorry for that. I hope the video is helpful, and if you have any questions, I am certainly happy to have office hours later on in the day tomorrow to make sure that you have any questions, or even on Friday. If you need to meet to talk things over, I'm happy to do so. Have a fantastic day.